Hi, I'm Dr. Sheila Morrison. I practice at Mission Eye Care Center for Dry Eye and Corneal Disease in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Contact lenses are an essential part of our practice. At Mission, we actually have 4 residency trained contact lens optometrists now. And so in our little community, our little family at the office, we sit together a lot and talk shop about contact lens and cornea. And so for us, it's a practice builder. It's an area that we're passionate about, and it's an area that we've come together sort of as a team with similar skill sets from different institutions so that we can really offer a specialty in our area that others just are not able to do. We love to spread the love, literally, of contact lens with our staff. One of the ways that we really help to inspire them is to teach them about the why of what we do. So we'll share cases with them. We actually have staff training every single Friday. And because we're such a busy contact lens practice, a majority of our talks end up being contact lens topics. We invite representatives in from our industry partners to teach our staff different things about all contact lens modalities. Our staff hear firsthand from us and also get to work with our patients that have remarkable stories where their lives are really improved with contact lens. And so we are able to share with them the why. Finding passion for contact lens and being confident and comfortable in offering that option for patients is really a great way to differentiate yourself in your practice and build your practice. Every patient that needs glasses, usually, most of them could be offered a contact lens, whether that be a tool that they could use part-time with their glasses. Maybe they'll end up using contact lenses more than their glasses at certain chapters of their life. But the practice really just grows by offering multi-tools to every patient to solve problems that they might have doing different activities.